Hi, art lovers. I'm Nagaraj here, age 75 years. I'm a hobby artist in Chitrakala Parishad. I have taken a cause of social responsibilities of painting the terracotta wall of Padmanabh Nagar park with the Varli paintings. You can see here. The theme itself is very clear. Here I have written Swachhate Namma Javabdari. Swachhate is Namma Javabdari. Keep the city clean. From this end of the compound, you can see up to that end of the compound, and here also further up to the end of this compound, around 400 meters of compound wall. I have made the terracotta painting, which I have uploaded on the YouTube. You can see social cause for keeping the area very clean. This is Padmanabh Nagara. You can see this is Padmanabh Nagara main road leading to Kidney Foundation. This side you can see the Kidney Foundation road. This is Padmanabh Nagar main road. Opposite Satvik and SLV Hotel. I have taken a social cause of keeping the footpath area and the compound of the Padmanabh Nagara park very tidy and neat. So I started painting on the terracotta wall on the Varli painting. You can see I have started from this end, and about 150 to 200 meters compound wall is there. So completely I have painted with the what do you call it, as a Varli paintings. Just you can see lot of people they come here for coffee, breakfast in the morning, and they take the coffee and breakfast from that hotel and sit in front of this compound and start taking it. So I just take you to the complete area here. Just see how it looks. The painting, terracotta painting done by me on the wall. I'm B.N. Nagaraj, Chitrakala Parishad artist. So being a artist and lover of art, I have painted this compound. It took around 2 days for me to paint completely. So you can see people early morning they come and relax here, have their coffee here, and then meet the friends and chit chat over here. This is a place. Just I'll show you around, so you can see a lot of people sitting here, right? The designs are completely different, but the concept of Varli painting is the same. Yeah, you can see people nicely sitting here relaxing and having their coffee in the morning. Sir, how do you feel this area? I have painted the whole compound here.
Very nice, sir. Very nice.
Does it look nice?
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Neat.
So,
People don't feel like posting, what is that? All these ads.
yeah.
They
Huh.
have this.
Yeah,
People
instead of
don't
sticking
feel
the ad posters, I have made it nice and tidy.
Yeah.
So that they keep the wall very
looks
clean.
clean.
Right. Thank you for your comments. Now you can see up to the end, almost about 200 meters length. I'll just take you up to the end of the compound. Okay. Yeah, here. See even a small portion where it looks ugly also, I have painted this nicely. Even if it is looking ugly, painted nicely. Sorry, there is a lot of traffic noise also. You have to bear with me. We can't help it. Okay. Now you see, early morning, people read a newspaper in front of the hotel, having a coffee, relaxing. So that's how I have kept this place very neatly with terracotta painting done on the wall. Sir, I have done this terracotta painting. How do you feel it, sir? Is it nice? Yeah. Is it looking nice? Very good. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So you can see up to here I have taken it. Yeah. This is a early morning, around 6:30, 7 o'clock. So people come here to have coffee and relax. Just opposite, you can see SLV Hotel and Satwik Hotel also here. So this is a Walker's Road, Padmanabh Nagar main road. Further, this compound is almost complete from here. It goes up to the other end. I'll also show you. There are a lot of vendors here, vegetable vendors. So some of the portion I have just left it. I have to do it. Still painting. So you can see a lot of vendors also here. Banana vendors, vegetable vendors, all are in this main road. And this is a Padmanabh Nagar last bus stop, 15A bus stop. Yeah. So all this wall is still left out for painting for me. Since there are a lot of carts in the morning, I could not take the painting. I'll be taking the painting work another 2 or 3 days later. Now you can see all these vegetable vendors sitting over here. Here also I made a simple design concept of wall painting. This wall also. Yeah, this also goes around 150 to 200 meters here. So early morning, all the vegetable vendors come here, start selling their products. Now you can see the compound wall completely done with the only painting on the terracotta wall finish. Quite a lengthy wall over here. So evening times, lot of pani puri people and other people, they come here. Gobi manchuria, pani puri, tikki puri, everything is sold in this area in the evening. Okay. See, up to that end I have made the terracotta painting. You can see here. Yeah. Here also you can see vegetable vendors. They come early morning, start selling vegetables. ರಾಯರ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಗೋಡೆ
ಗೊತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ.
ಹೌದು, ಈ ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ವಾತಾವರಣ?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ನಾನು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನೋಡಿದೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು,
ಪಾರ್ಕೊಂತಾನೂ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆ ಜಾಗ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಳೆ.
ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ದು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್
ನೋಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ.
ಪುನೀತ್ ರಾಜ್ಕುಮಾರ್ದು ಮಾಡಿ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀರ ನೋಡಿ.
ಹೌದು, ಅತ್ಲಾಡೆ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ್ ಹೋಟ್ರು ಮುಂದೆನೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೌದು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋದು. ರೈಟಪ್ಪ. ಯಾ, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ even in Kannada also I have written the slogans. Parisara Premigala Valaya. So this is the Pani Puri vehicle, they keep it here, they come in the evening. All lot of vendors are on this footpath. Now even in one more Kannada also I have written here, Swachhate Namma Javabdari. Swachhate Kapadi. Okay, this is the end of the compound. What? I have taken up to the end of the compound. What? There is a volunteering. So he is also painting now. You can see. So people are showing interest in the artwork. Many people are observing also. They also observe my paintings here. And vendor is also here. ಹ್ಯಾಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ? ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೊನೆ ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. This is the main road of Padmanabh Nagar. You can see the big park opposite over here. All painted with terracotta painting up to the end. On this side, you can see many shops over here. Okay. Now you can see many shops over here. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜನ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳೋಣ. ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು?
ವೆರಿ ಸರ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಏರಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತವರು ಕುತ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಸರ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಹಳ 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 ರಿಯಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಪರಿಸರ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾಪಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಹಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಈ ಎಂಡಿಂದ SLV ಸ್ವಾದಿಷ್ಟ ವರೆಗೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಇದು ಏನದು ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಿಣ್ ಕೆಫೆ, ಅದ್ರ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಕಡೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸರ್. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು
ಸರ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಜನ ತಮ್ಮಂತ ಪರಿಸರ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದು ಅಪರೂಪ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತಾವು ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾರಿ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಪ್ಪಂದ ಇದು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಚಿರೋರು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.